Hi, I'm Liv. I'm here to tell you about this week's Friday feature fabric collection. This is a thrifty notion where we sell secondhand, dead stock, vintage, de-stash fabric and sewing supplies to help you sew more sustainably. These fabrics, way over here, will go live tomorrow, Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time. All right, I'm going to tell you about them so you understand, know what they're about, whether they're useful to you in your next project. We have a lot of pieces. This is kind of a small collection, not as much yardage and more just single pieces. So if you're really interested in these, you need to set an alarm for slightly before 10 a.m. Central Time tomorrow. This is just a piece of wool, hypnotic teal. It's kind of a heavy, well, it's a medium weight. You could do a coat. It would be a lighter coat. You'd want to line it. You could also do skirts, suit jackets. Not sure there's enough here to do a pair of pants. Or if you're just a rug maker, this is a nice piece of a really pretty color. This one is fancy and special. This is called Stormy Waters. It's a raw silk. It is medium weight. It has this beautiful fluid drape. Raw silk is a little bit sticky. It kind of grabs onto you. You could make pants, though I don't know. I don't think I would recommend it. You could do a skirt, jacket, blouse, all kinds of lovely things you can make from raw silk. Very, very pretty piece of fabric. It's pretty special. This is pre-washed. This is from the Luminous collection by Anna Maria Horner. This is Checkered Past. It's an ikat plaid, almost a gingham. Medium weight. You could do quilting with this. People do. People have. It's also great for woven t-shirts. You could use it in a dress as well. This is a nice medium weight cotton. Happens to have come from my other store, Fenceline Fabrics. Someone bought it, washed it, ended up not using it, so got donated to Thrifty. This is Morel cotton twill. It's kind of this mushroomy color. Great for slacks. You could make overalls. Let me see if it's got any stretch to it. No stretch. It's a nice sturdy fabric. Definitely do a pair of, not quite jeans, but more fitted pants out of this lovely cotton fabric. This is just a really pretty kind of tropical, summery rayon. Quite fluid in the drape. Perfect for dresses and skirts. Or like wide leg beachy pants. We've had this in the past. This is a Fogerty fabric, sea glass floral. This is a rayon. Again, we've been around long enough that people get things from us, change their mind, and end up donating back their de-stash. So we'll give it another try. This one needs a forever home, so help us out. It has been pre-washed in a really nice smelling laundry detergent. Very fluid, quite sheer, very summery. This is a more medium to heavy weight cotton linen. It is pretty sturdy. You could do a pair of shorts out of this, although it's kind of loosely woven, so it's a little bit sheer. You could do a skirt or like a jumper pinafore type of thing. Also, you could use this for home dec. It's a pretty sturdy, nice natural fiber fabric. Not stretchy, lovely color. And again, it's been pre-washed. We had a de-stash from one of our very loyal customers. She does sew an awful lot, but she had to de-stash her craft room, so lots of really pretty things. Calling this poolside stripe. It's a cotton, nice medium weight. Great for clothing and quilting. It's sturdy. It's on the heavier side of the medium weight of quilting cotton, but definitely would work in a quilt. In fact, I'm very tempted to take it home with me and just skip this all together. But no, I shall share with the world because my stash is out of control. As you might imagine. It's hard not to take things home. Usually I take them home, they stay for a while, and then I bring them back. But anyway, yeah, I love this. And this is a yarn dyed woven, so same on both sides because the thread is dyed and then woven. So that color goes all the way through to both sides. All right, we have a Chateau Rose, kind of a plummy pink, orchid, purpley floral on a seafoamy green background. This is a poly cotton, so excellent for blouses, dresses, anything with poofy sleeves or ruffles. This will hold that shape and have quite a bit of body to it. It is a fairly lightweight, so it'll also breathe and be just really nice and breezy for summer. Calling this Aloha floral. It does have a bit of a Hawaiian flair to it. It's a polyester, lighter kind of weight, quite nice drape, pretty sheer, excellent again for shirts and dresses. Very fun. All right, we're calling this a Studious suiting. It is not quite a plaid, not quite a herringbone, not quite a stripe. Kind of has a little bit of all of that going on in it. It is a cotton rayon, so it's got this amazing drape. Would make a really great pair of slacks, like a slightly wider leg, so you can kind of get that flow and that flounce while you're walking. A swish, a bit of a swish if you like to be swishy. Could also do a skirt, like a pencil skirt out of it. It's just a really nice, it feels good. It's nice and soft. It looks like a wool, but it feels like a cotton. It's very nice. Our last one is a knit, and we're calling it a Polymath knit because it's all of the things. It's all of the subjects of all of the things that you would study. We've got a little bit of music, a little bit of math, some gambling, just in case, lots of books. It's just all of the things. So, Polymath knit. Let me show you some stretch because that's important. People need to know, how stretchy is it? So this is the up and down stretch, which is non-existent. Let me go like this so you can tell. Up and down stretch. The side to side stretch is significant, and the bounce back is not 100%. It does not fully bounce back right away. So keep that in mind. That may improve with washing. Kind of feels a little bit starchy, like it will get softer when it gets washed. And this is super soft. It's a poly cotton, whatever they printed this on. It's dreamy soft, very nice fabric. So that's our last fabric for this week. I hope you enjoyed this lovely informational video. Happy sewing.